Hi there, students. Standoffish. Standoffish. Okay, this means reserved, unsociable, not very friendly, cold and distant. So he was a bit standoffish. He wasn't very friendly. He wasn't very forthcoming. Let's see, we use this word standoffish to talk about people, to talk about their character, about the way they behave. So, reserved, haughty, aloof. Yeah, you could have an adverb, standoffishly. He acted standoffishly and not in a very friendly way. And then his standoffishness, the noun, was surprising. So somewhat cold and reserved, a bit antisocial, yeah, distant and detached. So if you're standoffish, you behave in a slightly unfriendly and over formal way. Yeah, so if somebody is standoffish, they're not one of these people who puts their arms around you and says all sorts of things. Somebody who's standoffish maybe answers your questions tersely, answers you in few words. Okay, so if somebody's standoffish, they're not particularly pleasant. He behaved in a very standoffish way. Okay, as I said, this phrase, you're going to use it to talk about people. Let's see. A brother should be a really friendly person. He should be somebody who you get on very well with. He shouldn't be standoffish and distant. Okay, so I don't know, maybe the British tend to be much more standoffish than Mediterranean people. Yeah, they're much less sociable. They're not warm and cordial and friendly. They're just a little bit distant. They stand off. Okay, and that's the idea of this standoffishness. You are standing off. To stand off means to give yourself some distance from something, to stand apart from something. He stood off from the fire. This off talks about distance. Okay, so standoffish, an adjective. He's a very standoffish person. This is a wonderful adjective when you are describing people. Describe your best friend. Well, he's a bit standoffish. Yeah, he's not the most friendly of people that you will ever meet. Okay. So, what about formality? I think I'd give this a 5 in formality. You could definitely use this in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, maybe something very formal. You could probably use standoffish, but I don't know, unfriendly or maybe aloof or haughty or overly formal or something like that. And then the origin of this standoffish is easy because it comes from stand off, and then the ish makes it into an adjective characterized by the ish. Okay, so are you a warm, friendly person, or are you a little bit standoffish? Yeah, if you're nervous, when a party starts, everybody's a little bit standoffish, and then they have a few drinks and they get a lot less standoffish. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, don't be standoffish and give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Standoffish, standoffishly, and standoffishness. Wow. Bye for now.